The purpose of Course Loop Lifecycle is to provide a single source of truth for a university's academic items and to ensure appropriate governance is applied to changes that are made to those academic items over time. This process was previously managed using Word documents, spreadsheets and email, making it difficult to know what the approved content for an academic item was at any point in time, and resulting in significant administrative overhead to ensure the necessary change control was applied. Let's see how this process is managed using Lifecycle. Let's say a school wants to propose a brand new course. A school editor navigates to the Lifecycle search page where all the current academic items are listed for the university. The editor can click the icon to create a new academic item. The editor selects the type of academic item they want to create, in this case a course. The editor enters some basic information about the course and clicks Create. This creates a proposal for the new course and loads the template of information that is required to be completed for a course academic item. The editor completes the course information. Once they are finished, they will indicate this by marking the proposal as complete. Course Loop can be configured to automatically generate a code for an academic item, as you can see in this example. Once editing is complete, the proposal will appear in a queue for review by a user with permission to submit proposals on behalf of the school. The school submitter opens the proposal in the admin view, which is used for managing the approval and governance of proposals. The level of change within the proposal will determine who can approve the proposal and which committees of the university will need to review the item. For example, a new course will pass through a number of governance committees for approval, whereas a minor editorial change may be able to be approved within the school itself. The stages of review that are required for the proposal are represented in the Course Loop workflow. Each stage in the workflow represents a review stage the proposal needs to pass through. A school submitter is able to submit the proposal on behalf of the school and progress it to the next stage of the process. A record of the submission can be found within the activity log. At many stages of the workflow, the review and approval is undertaken by a committee rather than an individual. These committees meet periodically to review a number of proposals for new and changed academic items. Course Loop is used to manage the agendas of items for review at each meeting. A meeting administrator user can allocate the proposal to the meeting where it will be discussed. Any user with Course Loop access can view the agenda for the meeting via the meeting portal. The members of the committee can also use this portal to link through to the proposals for consideration rather than emailing multiple Word documents around. At the conclusion of the meeting admin can enter the outcome of the decision for the proposal and any conditions for each proposal that was discussed. This information is available in the meeting portal for any staff who have an interest in viewing the outcome. Once the proposal is endorsed at all of the required levels of governance and the workflow is complete, the proposal is approved. A user can now locate the approved version of the course academic item in the Course Loop search. If some information for this course needs to change in future, a new version of the course will be proposed, and that change will move through the governance process in a similar manner. An editor can revise the course. This takes a copy of the approved academic item and creates a new version. The editor will update the information in this new version of the course. In the new version of the course, the editor will make the required changes to the course content. Any changes in the content from the previously approved version are marked up when Changes mode is enabled. The sections of the content that have changes are highlighted with a pencil. This makes it very easy for a reviewer to scan the document and focus on the sections that they need to read in detail in order to make their decision as to whether to support this new proposed version of the course. This concludes the overview of Course Loop Lifecycle. Thank you.